Hello and welcome to my channel, The Exodus of my Patro. Like, share, and subscribe. And today we are in, what's the name of your store?
MFE One Stop Shop.
American One Stop Shop. And they have all American products, which you know that a lot of us expats are looking for things from America. Some people from the UK are looking for things. And I just walked down the aisle, so I'm going to go down again so you can see some of the things. Just like the Gatorade, I was looking for some not too long ago because I had Banjo Belly. So, and you know, you need to replenish those electrolytes. They have Frosted Flakes, pancake mix, buttermilk complete. They have a lot of different things here. Raisin Brands, cereal. Let's see, they have cake mix and baking soda, Cheez-Its. Here's some more of the cereals they have. They have Pringles and Pop-Tarts, oatmeal, which I know a lot of us like oatmeal because we mostly eat it in the wintertime. They have coffee and syrup. Coffee Mate, which I use a lot of. Don't need any right now. Jiffy Mix they have. Okay, great. This is what I'm getting. Some Arizona tea, which we drink in the States. And some soup. They also have, let's see, cooking oil and seasonings. I have quite a few seasonings already, but I know where to come get it. Here's barbecue sauce. I heard somebody said they couldn't find barbecue sauce, so they have it at the American, what's the name of it again? American
MFE One Stop Shop.
American One Stop Shop. A lot of the seasonings here. I know people are looking for flaxseed, so they have flaxseed for you on that healthy kick and that healthy journey. And big bottles of the lemon pepper seasoning, which is good. Oh, they have jerk sauce, and I was having a fit about my daughter make sure she get me some jerk sauce. So I know they have it here, which is good. And then they have Ziploc bags and paper towel. And guess what? They have sweet relish. So everybody that's looking for pickle relish, they have it here at this store. You can make your tuna fish and your potato salad, because we do use that. And they have Suave products. Let's see if they have Suave shampoo, because I use Suave to wash my locks. They have Queen Helene cocoa butter. All of these are things that you could get in Detroit. And I use these products. This is good. Oh, and the Pine Sol. Let's see. This is what, 7? I have a small bottle, but I know to come back and get this big bottle. We use Pine Sol to clean up the area where the dogs go. So how long you been here?
Since 2017. February 2017.
Oh, wow, you been here a minute then. That's good. I'm sorry, what's your name?
Shehu.
Shehu?
Yes.
Oh, okay, Shehu. They call me Mama Amma.
Mama.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And they also have sanitary products for ladies and stuff to clean your wood furniture and everything. Oh, ant bait. This is something I need because I have an ant problem. And the ants get on my nerves. Okay, this is great. And thank you for letting me film. And I'll put this on my page so people can see it, and hopefully you get a lot of customers behind it.
For sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.